Okay. Uh, Okay, they're joining slowly. Okay, let's start with this session. So in the last class, so far we discussed about the uh, different methods of surveying, especially the chain surveying, table surveying, plain table surveying, compass surveying, and also we discussed about different the methods of surveying. That depends on the nature of the field, and also the based on our the requirement, and also whatever we have the resources like instruments. That way we are going to classify the the what you call the uh, survey we have done. And in the last class, arranging of surveys and measurement of horizontal distance, and also we discuss about the that's called horizontal distance measurement by what you call this slope measurements. So, and also with the what you call this grid pattern scales variations. Yeah. Yes, and also discuss the plane scales. All right. And topo sheets we discussed there. So all together, now we are going to take the problems related to the slope calculations, and also with the that's called the direct or indirect methods, and there are some errors. How we are going to process those errors with the different uh, methods. Okay, and direct method we did that, indirect methods. Okay, and also with some of the problems which we are going to do it now. That's in a horizontal measurement of distances that is there. And before that, we'll go with some of the small the problems which we did. I mean, we discussed theory part. That's called instrumental error, personal error, natural error, and also the by mistakes there will be some errors, systematic errors, accidental errors. Okay, and right, and also there will be yeah. And also we discussed about accuracy. It depends on the precision of instruments, and also methods, precise methods, and also it depends on the good planning. Okay, those things we discussed in the last so far. And what are the sources of errors? It may be errors rise from the three sources. One is told in the maybe instrumental error, personal error, and natural errors. Right. So these errors, how we are going to compute errors, result, compute in the results. Okay. they arise from the errors in measured on derived data. Okay, how these data are going to derive now. The errors in the trigonometrical can be logarithmic values which are used, during the common mathematical process. What are those, trigonometrical, what you call this logarithm? That's called, the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and addition, subtraction, multiplications, and also the divisions. Okay, and we'll derive some the derivations, and we'll get the formulas. Using those formulas, we are going to solve some of the problems which are related to the quantities, and also with the some of the the what we call this probable errors and maximum errors. What would be the probable error? What would be the maximum errors? Okay, this is all based on the error related problems, right? How we are going to rectify, how we are going to do the interpretations, right? Let me share the videos so this. Yeah, can you see the screen now, Shraddha? Darshan.
Yes.
So here, the very difficult part is to make the PPT for this particular the survey practice. Some extent we can do that with the PPT, but it's the part is when the equations are comes, it's, putting that is a very difficult part. So that I'm going to show you the notes which I'm going to share with you guys, so that you can follow the same thing there, right? And here. How the errors are computed and the results. And let's say that we did a lot of errors with that may be the maximum errors, or it may be what you call this probable errors. Okay, and these errors, how we are going to what you call process it. Okay, that's the process methods. There are 4 types. One is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions. Let's say that. So when during the additions, how we are going to process the mathematicals. So let s is equal to x plus y. What is x and y? Which are, these are all measured quantities. Okay, so where x and y are measured quantities, right? Then then s plus delta s is equal to x plus delta x plus y plus delta y, where delta s may be the positive or maybe the negative values. When you get the error, it may be a high or it may be a low. So when you do the polygon, I mean the survey of any pond or anything, the closed surface, so you may get an axis. It may not be closed with the where you start with that. So right, or it may give the less than that. That's called a positive or negative error. So right. So considering the probable error of indefinite values, so you need to consider s plus or minus es. That's the error systems here. Okay, es is equal to x plus or minus ex plus, and within bracket, and y plus or minus ey. This is a derivations, right? These are the derivations. These are all not problems. Okay, and or you can write this equation like s plus or minus es, that's equal to x plus y, x or minus square root of ex square plus ey squares. So when you simplify these equations, the probable error square root of ex square plus ey square, that's equal to probable error. Es is the probable error. Okay, that is comes when it comes to the additions. So when it comes to the multiplications, let us say, yes, let us say the s is equal to x minus y, where x and y are measured in a quantities. Okay, so then s plus delta s is equal to x minus y. So same thing we did for the additions. Here we are doing the subtractions. X minus y plus delta x plus y. So therefore, maximum delta s is equal to delta x plus delta y. So considering the probable errors of indefinite values, So S is equal to S plus or minus, the probable errors. That means ES is equal to X minus Y plus or minus square root of E square plus EY square, EX square plus EY square. So here in subtraction, the probable error will be the plus or minus ES is equal to square root of EX square plus EY squares. So when it comes to the multiplications, so what is going to happen here? So here, so let X, sorry, the S is equal to X multiplied by Y, X into Y. So where X and Y are same measured quantities. This is a constant for you guys. Okay. So here, therefore, lambda X is equal to Y multiplied with the delta X. So when you simplify, so you will get probable error ES. That's my probable error is, we have already derived Y square, square root of Y square EX square plus X square EY squared. Okay. So here is the, therefore ES is equal to XY square root of EX by X whole squared plus EY by Y whole squared, right? So error ratio will be ES by S, that's equal to square root of EX by X whole square plus EY by Y whole square. So this is a, error ratio when it comes to the, multiplications, right? When it comes to the probable error in the, the subtraction, plus or minus ES is equal to EX square plus EY square. So when it comes to the, the addition part, the probable error will be the, square root of EX square plus EY square, right? And here, it may be a positive or it may be a negative values, right? That's the things you need to keep it in mind. Whenever you are going to do the survey, when you finish the survey, it may not be, make, what you call justification, or it may not be, adjust anything, the errors. You have to distribute the error for, if you surveyed for 20 points, 20 locations for the one polygon, the error should be distributed equally to all the points. Okay, that's how the things. So here, the multiplications and subtractions and additions. So now when it comes to the, division part, let X is equal to X by Y, where X and Y are again constant. That's called a measured quantities. Okay, delta X is X by delta XY, and when you cross multiplication this, and delta X by Y, so SY is equal to XY X delta Y by Y squared. So when it comes to the next phase, when you simplify all these things, the probable error will be the ES is equal to square root of, okay, so delta X is the maximum error here. So ES is equal to square root of EX by Y whole square plus X EY by Y squared whole square. Okay, this is a probable error of that, when you do the, division. Okay, so here, therefore, ES is equal to X by Y, square root of EX by X whole square plus EY by Y whole square. Okay, so a ratio of this probable error here, ES by S, that's equal to square root of EX by X whole square plus EY by Y whole square, right? So here is the, let us say the power, let's S is equal to X to the power of N. So this is another one. Let S is equal to X to the power of N. Okay, and delta X is equal to NX to the power of N minus 1 delta X. So ratio will be delta S by S and N multiply with the N delta X by X. So this is a power ratios. Okay, subtraction, addition, and the multiplications. So these are all the, the things called, error in trigonometricals and logarithmic values, which are used during the common mathematical process. So in the mathematical, in trigonometrical, logarithms, we use the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division and the powers. Okay, so these are all the, the many errors, we discussed in the previous class. That is called, accidental error, or it may be the systematic, personal, natural errors, and instrument error, mistakes errors. Okay, and yeah, these are all the different types of the errors which we are encountered during the what you call this survey time, right? So let's move to the next part. That's the problems. Okay, these are the very simple problems which you can easily solve those problems. Okay, right. So here is the quantity S is equal to sum of the two measured quantities X and Y. So as I told you that in the first case, and when you derive the equations, these are the measured quantities. X and Y are the measured quantities. So here, let's see this. Right. Quantities S is equal to sum of the two measured quantities X and Y given by S is equal to 4.88 plus 5.637. So all of you need to identify that. So find out the most probable error, the maximum limits, and most probable limit of quantity S. So maximum error will be so this much. Delta X is equal to 0.0005, delta Y is equal to 0.0005, and probable error, that will be Ex is equal to plus or minus 0.0025, Ey is equal to plus or minus 0.0025. So this is a maximum and this is a probable error. Okay, so here is that. So what is the probable maximum error here? So S plus or minus delta S is equal to X plus or minus Ex plus Y plus or minus Ey. So as we know the data here, okay, so what is the value of the delta X here? S values, right, here is that 4.88 plus 5.637 plus 5.637 plus or minus. So these are all the probable error, delta X and delta Y, and delta X plus delta Y, and 0.005 plus 0.0005. So these are the values what we have given here. We need to fix with the with the formulas, right? So when it comes to the right, so total value of yeah, so the total value of maximum error, yes, it's a little bit missing from the top portions. Yeah, no, nothing is missing here. Yeah, so here, so when it comes to the the error, when you add these two and adding these two here, and you will get 10.517 plus or minus 0.0055. Okay, by adding these two values, you will get here. By subtracting, you will get these values. Okay, can you do anyone these two subtraction and addition? Do you have a calculator with you? Adikeshu, Adarsh, Chiranjeevi?
Yes, sir.
Do you have calculator just to do the calculation part? Let us see whether it is the answer will be the correct, or in maybe a maybe a variation. 10.517 plus 0.0055.
10.5225, sir.
That's in that case, that's right. This addition, when you do the addition, can you do the subtraction for this 10.517 and minus the 0.0055? That it should come this value.
10.5115.
Right, that's right. So the values are correct now. It's not an issue. Right. So here, right. So when you get this addition and subtractions, right? Yeah, these are the values. So we got it here, and here addition and subtraction, we did that. Then further, you need to calculate the S plus or minus ES, that's equal to X square plus plus or minus square root of EX EY square. All it is come this formulas, and right. You can come this. Yes. Yes. EX squares. Right. Here it is there. Right. So here is, we are given the values are here, and here given the values already given. That is there in your the first formulas. Maximum error will be there. This is delta x by delta y and ex by ey, and those same things we need to apply here, and you will get these values. So when you make the square root, and you will get square root of this, and when you remove this, you'll get this. Can you check this is correct answer? So this will be coming. It's not a problem. 5 plus 4, 9, 10. Yeah. So this we can get it. But how about this? Can anyone check this? This value is correct or wrong? Adikeshu, are you checking the values? Adikeshu, Adarsh,
Yes,
Darshan?
yes, sir.
Yeah, please check it. So that will confirm it. Yes, this is the exact answers. There should not be any errors again in the calculation part. Okay. It should be error free. Adarsh, Adikeshu, anybody got this value, the correct value, or any difference is there? You have calculator? Bharat? Darshini? Yeah. You got it? Anybody got it? Darshini, Dipti?
Sir,
And
2.512 into 10 to the power of minus 3.
10 to the power of minus 3. What is the value here? 10 to the power of minus 3.
Yeah,
Right. Okay.
0.002.
That's right, right? It's correct.
Yes.
0.0025. Thank you, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
So here, when you take, the plus or minus, so when you add this, you should get, these values. Of course, it will come. When you do the, subtraction, definitely it will come. So here is the thing is that, and so then they make it in a round figure. So maximum limit is 10.52 and minimum limit is the 10.51. Okay. So maximum probable error will be, okay, this is audio, yeah. So maximum, the probable error will be ES is equal to square root of EX square plus EY square. So this is a value you will get it when you process this, solve the things. These are the, some of the, derivation, the problems, the first problems. And second will be the, like this, a quantity, quantity is given by the SI units. There's a 5.367 minus it's called 4.88. That was maximum error will be the delta x plus x is equal to 0.0. This of course it's 205 or 203. Yes, what is the value of this? This number 2, that will be the, yeah, 0.0005 and delta y is equal to 0.005. Probable error will be the, the EX is equal to 0.0225 and plus or minus 25. So all you need to do, you need to, take these values and fix this with the, S is equal to delta S and x minus y plus or minus delta x delta y. What are the given values are here, and fix it this, and you can solve this. That's a very simple. But we need to understand how it comes. This is the addition, from the addition, subtraction, and division and multiplications. These are the the trigonometrical the things which you need to process it, right? So the next one is that. Next formula is that. This is a little bit blur. I'm not sure it's very clear. It's here. So this is the third the problems. Okay, and here when it comes to the second problems, the final value of this is total maximum limit of this the error will be 0.49 and is minimum the limits of 0.08 and maximum is probable error will be ES is equal to square root of EX square plus EY square. Okay, 0.00251. Okay, and here is the simplified, and all together we will get it this the probable minimum and maximum limits of that. Okay, and here is the third problems. Okay, a derived quantity S is given. S is given by product of two measured quantities as below. So S is equal to 2.86 multiply with the 8.34. Okay, all you need to find out the maximum error, most probable error in the derived quantities. So the solution will be the maximum error in the individual. That means delta x is equal to delta y, that's equal to 0.005. So measurement will be the the most probable error will be ex is equal to ey, that's equal to plus or minus 0.0025. Okay, and now the maximum error, that's es is equal to y delta x plus x delta y. So all we have the given data here, and you need to fix this here, and you can solve the problems. So this is so easy, and you know the trigonometry of that. Well, you know that very well. It is not a big issue. The most probable error is ex is equal to xy square root of ex square by x. ex by x whole square plus ey by y whole square. Okay, this is the things you need to fix this, all this, substitute these values. So finally you will get what you call the, maximum error and most probable error derived quantity is that, and this ES is equal to plus or minus 0.02. Okay, that is your, the maximum value will get it here. Right, and yes, and yeah, and when it comes to the, this is missing. Sorry, I think one page is missing from here. No, okay, this maximum error, that will be the things. And when you get the, the final answer of this problems, especially the second page is missing here, the next to that this page is missing. So the answer is the, maximum and minimum, that will be the 23.87 and 23.83 here. And if you make the, average, rounding of the values, that will be 23.85. So this is all about the, the third problems which we have solved here, right? And right here is that. Yeah. No, this is not. This is a different form. The problem. Okay. Right. Okay, right then. Okay, so let's have a small the quiz sessions on this error the topic. Okay, let's the what are the the major errors which will happen during the survey part. And anybody can answer this quick answers. What are the major errors will happen? Deepti, Dhananjay, Divyasri, Harini? Yeah.
So, accidental errors,
Oh, right. Then, Darshini,
instrumental error,
correct. Right. Then Hitesh Gowda. Okay, Kushal, Manoj, Neha, Nitish Kumar. Okay. What are the errors will happen during the the survey part?
Personal error.
Yeah, it happens, right. Then the next Shashank. Shraddha. Okay, Sridhar. Sridhar and Yadunandan. Yadunandan. Okay, Vishrut Gowda. Vishrut Gowda. Okay. Oh, voice is an issue for you there. And Manish. Manish. Manish, no, he's not here. Manohar, Manoj Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what are the errors here? What are the errors which you can get it during the the survey?
Sir,
Your voice is not audible. Only the noise is coming here. Manoj Kumar, yes. Your voice is not coming. Only the noise will come. See? Hey. Okay. Okay, Hitesh Gowda? I don't know. Sorry. Okay. Anybody else there? Adarsh?
Sir,
Yes. What are the errors you can get it during the the what do you call this survey during the survey?
sir, it can be humanly error, sir.
Yeah, I think somebody has told that already. What about the others? That's a personal error, human error, both are same, no?
Errors in the instrument, measuring instruments.
Okay, that's an instrumental error, right? The next one is that there is another one which you call it as, what is that?
Systematic.
Systems, not systems, both, and
Systematic.
that's a natural error. Natural error also will be there, right? There will be natural errors. So in the next class, what we are going to discuss, that's about that's called a measurement of horizontal distance, and we did the theory part, how we can know electronic distance measurement method, chaining methods, chain by using the chain odometer or speedometer, and also we discussed type of types tapes we use it for that, maybe metallic, maybe a steel tape, maybe fiber, glass, whatever the things, whatever which are available with you, the resources that you are going to use it. Okay, those things are we discussed in the last class. So now ranging by eyes, direct ranging. Okay, right, and yeah, and yes, ranging by eyes, and aligning the things, and yeah, and in the next class, so we'll go with some of the what you call this mm, procedures for the direct methods and indirect methods, the procedures and direct and indirect methods, and also we'll solve some of the problems which are related to the distance between the points measured by along the slope. Okay, and we need to find out the horizontal distance between the between the points. Okay, those things we are going to discuss and solve some of the problems. Okay, there are three methods which we discuss: direct, indirect methods. So here in the indirect methods, uh, okay, difference in the elevations, okay, and also with the that's called in the method 3 there will be correction applied for the field of every chain length. Okay, that also we are going to discuss, and finally we are going to solve some of the problems, the actually distance between measuring the slopes. Okay, right, then which are going to discuss there, and we need to find out the hypothetical uh, things for the chain of 20-meter length and 10-meter length and 50-meter length, so for different length. Okay, right, and yes, these are the things which we are going to discuss in the next class. Okay, and yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's give the, that means, this called 16, right? Okay. Adarsh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Adikeshav?
Present, sir.
Bharat?
Yes, sir.
Chiranjeevi?
Present, sir.
Darshini?
Yes, sir.
Dasharath? Deepti?
Present, sir.
Deepti?
Yes, sir.
Dhananjay?
Yes, sir.
Dhananjay, yes.
Yes, sir.
Divyasri? Gopi Reddy? Gopi Reddy. Guda Sai? Okay. So, Harini?
Present, sir.
Harshavardhan? Harshita?
Yes, sir.
Hitesh Gowda?
Yes, sir.
Vishal?
Present, sir.
Okay. Leson? Leoson?
Present, sir.
There. Right. Madan Kumar?
Present, sir.
Okay. Manish? Manohar? Manoj Kumar?
Sir.
Manoj?
Yes, sir.
Mohammed Sanif?
Present, sir.
Right. Mohan? 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 Okay. Neha?
Present,
Nitish
sir.
Kumar?
Present, sir.
Renuka?
Present, sir.
Okay. Rohit? Sampath?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Right.
Okay.
Present, sir.
Sampath?
Present,
Okay.
sir.
Shahina? Okay. Shahina absent. Okay. Okay. Shaikh Asya? Okay. Sharat Kumar? Sharat Kumar KL. Right. Shashank?
Present, sir.
Okay. Shiv Prasad?
Present, sir.
Okay. Shraddha Patil?
Present, sir.
Right. Okay. Sreshta?
Present, sir.
Right. Sridhar?
Present, sir.
Syed Nijamuddin? Taib Amin?
Present.
Syed Nijamuddin, absent, right? Okay. Taib Amin?
Present, sir.
Right. Tarun?
Present, sir.
Varsha? Varsha? Vishrut?
Present, sir.
Okay. Yadunandan?
Present, sir.
Suman Patel? Suman Patel. Okay. All right.
Sir, Rohit, present.
Yeah. I got it. Yeah, Rohit. Rohit present, huh? Yes. Yeah, Rohit present, yeah. Yes. Rohit present. I understand. Okay. The thing is that these problems these are very, very important for error, and the next one what we are going for the measurement of the distance of horizontal and and also the slope one, right? And in the theory part, so there will be brief for the short notes, and the brief that's the types of surveys and errors, and also define the what you call this different the errors, right? And okay, and the next part is that